Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be reviewing my Gucci Dublin and my Gucci FRIA espadrille horsebit. Please keep in mind that all the shoes that have been reviewed in my videos, they are shoes that have been owned by me, and also they have been worn. Let's get into it. The first shoe I'll be reviewing is my Gucci Dublin, which is labeled the Gucci Worldwide. My finding after owning this shoe that it tends to fade. Over time, it fades. The black part fades. The leather is fine. The leather is fine. But the issue I'm finding with this particular shoes is that it fades. You see? You can see clearly it started to fade. When you purchase these shoes, always remember to go one size up, because I'm a size 10 and I bought a size 10 and it actually a little not much room. You could have taken a little, like go half an inch up, like get a 10.5. So when you buy, if you're a size 10, buy a 10.5. The worn pattern is not bad. It's worn, just a light wear, worn in the back right here by the heel. And I don't have a bad review per se, because these shoes, they have been out for a while, and I'm just reviewing based on my experience of owning, caring, and years later what they look like. And besides the fading of the fabric, because it's fabric material right here in the front by the Gucci Worldwide, and is leather in the back, and you see they have this signature Gucci green. The leather is in pretty good condition because, as I said, I use moisturizer and I use water to clean all my shoes. On here, I use the Dawn liquid soap, minimal, as I showed you in a spray bottle in previous video, and I light spray. And for this, I would light brush. But I think it's over time, during the summertime when you walk in the sun, excessive sun, it burns the fabric out. And the bottom is pretty good. It took the beating and walking, and I do not have a bad reviews as to say, well, it walks down like previous shoes that I know that for the time, the era I've owned it, they're pretty worn by walking. But this holds up pretty well. And as I said in my videos, I'm reviewing shoes that have been worn, they've been owned for a while, and I'm just reviewing so you as the viewers, if you own, can see what it looks like after a couple of years, a lot of wearing, because not everyone is doing reviews based on certain Gucci shoes that's been out there. A lot of people do unboxings, as I mentioned, but they don't show you what it looks like after wearing for a period of time. And this is what they look like wearing, and my take on it, it's not bad. I have a little crease in here, which is normal for everyday wear from a shoe. You'd have to expect that, but it still holds up. The thread is still intact, the glue is still intact, everything is where it's supposed to be. So this is a pass for me, regardless of how the fading of the fabric is a pass for me. And now I'll be reviewing my FRIA espadrille. I love this shoe. Love this shoe. The horsebit, they're in great condition. Great condition. Most espadrille, you can see, they are worn at the bottom. And espadrilles are known to wear and go sideways. But this one has stand the test of time. This have been to a lot of places. Jamaica, Canada, California, you name it, a lot of places. And I've been through the rain with this, I've been through the sun with this, I've been through the snow with this, and it holds up pretty well. And all I could see from having it and owning it for a while, it just there's a little wrinkle right here. And it's pretty sturdy. It's not like you could bend it or what's not. And since the years I've owned it, all I've experienced is worn on the heel, which is normal wear and tear. I can't say, well, I see no thread lifting, I don't see no glue lifting, I don't see nothing. So Gucci did well on this. As I also mentioned in my other video, that shoes with these fabrics, they tend to get dirty. And all you gotta do is just try to clean it. You understand? Just try to clean it as best as you can, because the inside gonna get dirty. So over time, I could say, well, it stands up. It's still holding up. I still enjoy wearing it. And if you have one, all you gotta use water, thin cloth, a light brush, and you clean. If you have to scrub where the spot, you have a spot. Don't just scrub the whole shoe unnecessarily. Then you'll be wearing out the canvas. And Gucci did it very good when they made these. And the materials, that's why I could identify, and most people could identify when you see a replica compared to the original. The canvas is not the same. And this is just my review, my take on owning these and these two shoes, and my experience owning them. And as far as how they stand up over a period of time, they did good. They did very well. I don't see no issues with this comparing to where I've been. And this is a pass. This is a pass. I've worn this multiple times, too much to count, and the bottom is still ready to go another 100 miles. And this one, the Dublin, only have a little wearing right here by the heel and the fading of the fabric. But beyond that, I don't have no bad reviews of these. So these two are actually a pass. And if you got yours, make sure you clean them accordingly. You make sure you store them in a dust bag, and you just enjoy. You know what I mean? They're very expensive items. So these are a pass for me. And this is just a review of these two shoes, so you could have an idea years later how they're holding up and how they've been. So this is just a short video that I just want to review two of my shoes. And always remember, disclaimer, all shoes featured and reviewed in my videos are owned by me. They are mine, and they are worn. They're not open box items that I'm doing an open box, so I'm doing an unwrapping. No, these are shoes that I've owned and I've been wearing for a while. So I'm just doing my review based on how my experience is and how they hold up. Your experience might be different, because based on how you wear your shoe and compare how you treat your shoe and how you clean your shoe and how you care for your shoe. So these are a pass for me. I've done some reviews before. You could go back and check my videos, and they're a total fail. My last video, the Gucci GG screener and the Gucci G74, the bottom, failure. They wore out easily. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. If you find anything in my video that's inaccurate, as I always say, please let me know. Until next time, thank you for watching.